Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by removing the batteries now. This stops current and helps prevent shorts. Lay them on a cloth so you don't lose polarity markings. Next, unscrew or pry open the shell carefully. Many remotes use hidden clips. Feel for seams. Once open, inspect the PCB and rubber keypad for corrosion or debris. You're doing this to expose contacts and the membrane so you can clean and test individual parts. Keep tools steady and note screw locations for reassembly. Now clean the battery contacts and circuit pads. Dampen a swab with isopropyl or a bit of vinegar and rub until shiny, then dry thoroughly. Remove the rubber keypad and examine the tiny conductive dots. These transfer your press to the PCB. If they are worn, you can temporarily restore conductivity with a small dab of conductive ink or swap from a donor pad. While you're at it, inspect the flex cable and solder joints. Reflow any crack joints if you can, because poor connections are a common cause. Once cleaned and inspected, reassemble carefully. Align the rubber pad and PCB, snap the case closed, and tighten screws. Insert fresh batteries and test each button. Press firmly and listen for consistent clicks. If problems persist, swap batteries with a known good set or try a replacement keypad. That isolates whether the membrane or PCB is at fault. As a final troubleshooting step, use an IR camera or phone camera to verify the LED blinks, and use a multimeter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.